Uniform motion is following a straight path at a consistent speed. An example of uniform motion is radio or light waves. So crashing is not a uniform motion. Period is how long it takes for one cycle to complete itself. An example would be a wave. The period goes from trough to trough or from crest to crest. And frequency is how often a cycle occurs. In this example, the higher the frequency is, the more frequent the wave is. The lower the frequency is, the less frequent the wave is. The period in a formula can be represented by 1 over frequency, and the frequency can be represented by 1 over the period. Scalar units are numbers that don't contain direction, so distance is scalar. A couple of examples are step counter, odometer, stopwatch. These all include distance but don't specify the direction. Vector units have a scalar component but are followed by a direction, and the direction unit is added inside square brackets. Displacement is a vector unit because it is how far something is from a previous position, and the direction is included. An example is my house is 35 kilometers north of my school. Speed is how fast an object is moving. Speed in a formula can be represented by the total change of distance over the total change of time. Velocity is the displacement of an object in a unit of time, and this can be represented in a formula like speed, but with an arrow over top of the output, which is velocity. When graphing a uniform velocity graph, you need a title, an independent unit, which is on the x-axis, and a dependent unit, which is on the y-axis. There's 4 special cases of velocity. The first one is a positive velocity which increases as it moves left to right from its origin. This increases the slope. The second is a negative velocity which decreases as it moves left to right from its origin. This decreases the slope. The third one has no velocity and is represented by a horizontal line. The last one is undefined because you cannot be at 2 different velocities at the same time. This is represented by a vertical line. To calculate an instantaneous velocity at a point, select a point and draw a tangent line to it. Then select any 2 points on the tangent line, then find the slope between them.